viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about bail and its types. So, the term bail may be traced back to the old French word bailer. Its true meaning is to deliver or to hand over. The term bail is not defined in India's Criminal Procedure Code 1973 CRPC. Black Law Dictionary describes bail as a security such as money or bond specially required by a court for the release of a prisoner who must appear at a future date. In case of Kalampati versus State of West Bengal 1978, the Supreme Court defined bail as a mechanism that is established for attaining the synthesis of two essential conceptions of human worth, namely the right of an accused to personal freedom and the public interest in which a person's release is conditional on the surety producing the accused person in court to stand trial. I hope you are pretty much clear with the term bail. What does it mean? Now we'll proceed further in the classification of bail. Now, depending on the stage of the criminal proceeding, a person may ask for one of the four types of bail in India. Number one is your regular bail. Regular bail is frequently issued to an individual who has previously been arrested and detained by the police. The accused has right to be free from such confinement under section 437 and 439 of the CRPC. So, a regular bail is simply the release of an accused from jail to ensure his attendance at the trial. Number two is interim bail. Interim bail is issued for a short period. Interim bail is granted to an accused before the hearing for regular or anticipatory bail. Now, anticipatory bail. It is also a pre-arrest bail. So, if a person suspects that he may be arrested for a non-bailable offences, he may petition for anticipatory bail. In recent years, this has become an important problem because corporate competitors and other prominent persons sometimes seeks to frame their opponents with a fake charges. It's similar to obtaining evidence advance bail under the section 438 of the CRPC. A bail under section 438 may be bail before arrest, and an individual cannot be arrested by the police if the court has granted anticipatory bail. Now, last one is your statutory bail. The remedy for statutory bail is also known as default bail. It distincts from bail obtained in the ordinary procedure under CRPC sections 437, 438 and 439. As the name implies, statutory bail is given when the police or investigating agency fails to file its report complaint within a certain time frame. I hope you are pretty much clear with the concept of bail. What does it mean and what are the classification of bail? If not so, then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries so that I can clear up all your doubt regarding this particular session in my next video. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.